Hello there, my name is Luca Ricci and I'm a musician. In this video series I will teach you music theory on various levels that starts from the beginning up to an advanced level. You may wonder why I decided to do these music lessons here on YouTube. The answer is pretty simple actually. I want to help others to develop their passion for music through the study of music itself. Of course, there is no need to become a composer to fully appreciate the works of Bach, Mozart and Beethoven, but being able to take a peek inside music itself can really change the perspective you may have on various works of music. Take for example this simple minuet. It surely sounds nice, but with music theory you can fully appreciate its various hidden sides, such as its history, the techniques used to create it, and the idea of the composer behind this little piece. I hope you will enjoy my lessons, and I'll see you in the next video with basics of music semiology. See you there!